Magi warning in effect. In practice, we search for probabilities. We cannot say that a certain planet in a certain house means a certain thing or event, but we are good at making educated guesses based on what we know. Magi formula is for the most part a lost science, which we are students of. We are not prophets. Genesis 1:14 through 16 clearly states that the sun, moon, and stars are for signs, and it is in these signs that we gather interpretive values, things which the Most High is trying to communicate. Now, we are not prophets. Let me be clear. This is not prophecy. We are human beings, and we could be wrong on this. There's about 3 people who looked at this thing, and we all came to the same conclusion, which to me is something to be noted. So, the Magi warning in effect for Memorial Day and the day after. Very hot points, May 27th and May 28th and 30th. The sign will last from May 27th to June 2nd. Try to read between the lines here, folks. I'm not totally being forthcoming with what I'm about to say. Don't be caught on television to be viewed over and over again on the evening news while people cry. Let that sink in, okay? Large crowded areas of people are where political agendas are pressed against the people, and evil men will target with schemes and deceptiveness. Awareness is key. Like you remember in school safety drills growing up. It's a short-lived aspect, so I can't see how it will affect many people directly, if it does at all. But if we're right, many people will hear about this or see it. Now, the geodetic location to the earth of these aspects, these places, and when we get down to the translations, certain names or places carry with them meanings. So watch out for the number 29. That number, 29. At the start of major sign, the planet Mercury is in the first house as a rising sign for the Western world. Strongest planet by aspect is at midheaven USA, eastern coastal states, and western countries of South America. Right ascension of the sun. Tasmania, Ireland, Capri, Switzerland, Rhodes, the Greek islands, Cuba, East Timor, Serbia, Tanzania, and Yemen. Cities of interest: Lucerne, Eastbound, Eastbourne, Hastings, Palermo, St. Louis, Dublin, Leipzig. It might not be at the moment we expect it to, or involve the exact type of scenario we think will happen, but confusion, chaos, and schemes is the ruler of this sign, with a war of communication and thoughts of the mind, Jupiter expanding in the worst place possible. St. Louis, watch yourself. You are close to something near the 0 mark. Memorial Day, huge gatherings of people. Translation in Peshat in some literal words and places by translators. Truly, only, however, but. Judge. Third word. Heap, wall, moving, wander, to and fro. Fourth word. Surely, truly, only, however, but. Fifth word. Here. Sixth word. Disheartened, intimidated. 7. So thus, here and now. 8. Like this, like that. 9. The number 29. 10. They behold, yes. Wailing, lamentation. Mist, vapor, gas. This. And a throne. Cup, goblet, kind of owl. A large crowd, a large sum, a large amount. And a thicket, and a hut, and a screen, and a cover. To anoint, large branch. Sentence. Stick, rod, staff, branch, tribe, downward, bed, perversion of justice. That which is bent or inclined, spreading. Sucked out, fatigued, exhausted, sprinkler. What is this? Woe, alas, ah. Lo, behold, this. Judge, also a city in Israel. Heap, wall moving, wander to and fro. City of Ai, ruin, heap of ruins. Napkin, flag, tablecloth, map, to map. Wrapper around a scroll. There is the translation of the aspect or the possible words which can be extrapolated from aspect. None of those words are in any type of particular order, so if any of you out there would like to see if you can fit those together in a sentence, be my guest. Until then, we're just going to monitor the situation. If something happens, we'll take notes, location, time, event. Till then, you guys be safe. Shalom.